Students, today we are going to discuss a topic on sources of food. What do you mean of source? A place or thing or process. What do you mean of food? A substance which provides energy and keep the body in good health. So let us see what the next one. Food contains various useful chemical substances called nutrients. All living organisms need nutrients for growth and development. Nutrients it is like carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins and minerals, fats. So all these required nutrients should be needed for all living organisms for their daily life. So functions of food: to provide energy and warmth to our body, for growth and development, to heal wounds, to remain fit and healthy, to protect our body from diseases. So let us see the next one is ingredients. Various items that are used to prepare a dish. That means if we want to prepare a curry, we need vegetables, spices, salts and so on. So the next is the sources of food. There are two sources of food. That means from plants and from animals. From plants we get fruits and vegetables. Where from plants examples of fruits are apple, banana, grapes, etc. Vegetables example onion, tomato, spinach and coriander and so on. And from animals we get milk, eggs, flesh. And the other products which we get from plants are cereals, that is rice, wheat, maize and millets, which provides energy to our body. Pulses examples are beans, green gram, that is your moong dal, black gram, that is your urad dal, etc. Helps in growth and development of our body. The next one is fruits and vegetables, where some of the fruits are apple, mango, orange, grapes, lemon, etc. Vegetables, cabbage, lady's finger, brinjal are commonly consumed in our country, which keeps our body healthy and fit. The next one is the oil, where sesame, sunflower, groundnut, mustard, etc. All these we extract all these oils we extract from the seeds of a plant, which warmth and energy to our body, as our body needs fats too. Sugar. These are rich sources of energy. Sugar extracted from sugarcane and sugar beet. Jaggery is also prepared from sugarcane. I have drawn a small picture of the sugarcane. It has to be in the tall. Okay. This is spices used for the flavoring and coloring of preserving food. Some of the spices are coriander, black pepper, chili, clove, turmeric, saffron, cinnamon, etc. And when it comes to beverages, tea and coffee are most commonly used all over the world. Tea is obtained from tea plant, that is from the leaves of the tea. And coffee is prepared from the coffee seeds. So the next one is plant parts as source of food. So let us see how this process takes place. Here I've drawn a picture of a plant where it consists of a root, stem, leaves, flower and a fruit. The most important thing to get a good product from a plant is it required a fertile soil. It should have proper supply of water and the sunlight. So when the sunlight falls on the leaves and the plant consists of proper soil and water, the plant can prepare its own food material with the help of chlorophyll that is present in the leaves of the plant. And the process is called as photosynthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means to make. So this is how the food is prepared in plants. The next one, let us see about sprouting. What is sprouting? Sprouting, it contain good amount of proteins and fats. All seeds can be sprouted and eat raw or slightly cooked. And germinating or sprouting seeds make them more nutritious. So that means the seed, if you take a seed, any of the seeds, dry seeds, and if you soak it in water, after 6 hours like that, you'll get a root formation. This is nothing but the sprouting which occurs. We mostly have the sprouts in the morning time for good digestion and for to secrete good proteins, and it is very good for the health. This is about today's topic. Thank you.